Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a suspended Twitter account. Twitter may suspend your account if it detects spam or repeated message, fake or misleading activity, violence of Twitter rules, or unusual behavior like mass following or liking. Now here, how to fix it. First, check your email. Twitter usually sends an email explaining why your account was suspended. Open the email and read it carefully. Next, try to log into your account. If your account is suspended, you will see a notice on screen with more information. If the Twitter gives you an option to verify your phone number, follow the steps shown. Some suspensions are lifted after verification. If your account is fully suspended, you need to submit an appeal. Open browser and go to the Twitter Help Center. Look for the account suspension appeal form. Fill in your details, enter your username and email address, and politely explain that you believe your account was suspended by mistake or that you understand the rules and will follow them. After submitting the appeal, wait patiently. Twitter may take a few days or sometimes longer to reply. If Twitter restore your account, avoid spam auction in the future, don't follow or unfollow too fast, don't post repeated link, and don't use automation app. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.